to another quick and easy meal. So today I'm keeping it real simple. It's breakfast time, so I decided today to make French toast and sausage. So what I'm using 3 eggs, 3/4 a cup of milk, and I'm using, as you can see, I'm using almond milk. And we need a tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and I sprinkle mine with cinnamon on top. So I'm gonna put this together now. My name is Jean. The name of this channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and her name for this channel is Simply Grace Lifestyle. We also have Jennifer at Home. So I would encourage you to stop by these channels and see what they have cooking up or baking up for you today for quick and easy meals. So like I said, this is really simple. This is something that everybody does, you know, and I usually don't do French toast or pancakes. I love pancakes. Even though I make good pancakes, my favorite pancakes are IHOP pancakes. I don't know why, I just like them. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna add this milk in. We're gonna add our tablespoon of sugar. And we're gonna add a pinch of salt. Well, they really want you to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I said a pinch, but to me, a pinch of salt to me is like 1/8 of a teaspoon, whatever. So we're just gonna whisk this all together. Oh, we need 8 slices of bread, 8. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing well today. I hope your families are well. And I have the sausage on the stove. Now this is actually called oven French toast, but I don't do mine in the oven. I do mine right on top of the stove, and you can see now I'm sprinkling in some cinnamon. So my family, they all love when I make French toast, but I don't do it that much because y'all know French toast is fattening. I don't need no help with that. So I like this little dress I got on today. This dress I got is from Time and True from Walmart. You know, so I like to pick up a few sundresses. So we're gonna go to Myrtle Beach this summer. And so you need some sundresses if you go to Myrtle Beach. I'm looking forward to sitting on the beach, watching the waves come in and out. And I have some nice books on my Kindle. I'm reading this book now, guys, called Cutthroat. So that should be quite relaxing as I am sitting on the beach. Okay, so that's about it for all of the ingredients. We'll take out this bread now. And I spray my pan with Pam, because when you're doing French toast on top of the stove, this makes it come out really nice. I prefer to use Pam for French toast. So guys, what I do here is I dip the bread into the mixture here, our egg and milk mixture, and then I just put it on the stove. And you know, it's not real greasy or anything. Now you can use butter, but butter makes, let me turn the light on. You can use butter, but butter makes a lot of, you know, it'll make a lot of smoke and stuff like that, and I really don't want that. So this is the way I do mine. Here's the reveal. I know this is making y'all hungry. French toast is always good for a nice change of pace for breakfast in the morning. And this French toast is absolutely delicious. So we have some nice French toast with Mrs. Butterworth syrup on top with some sausage. I hope that you guys have an amazing day. Be blessed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.